Posting 3 times a day to feed a hungry algorithm quickly leads to severe burnout. But Pinterest operates differently. It functions strictly as a search engine. Users here, largely a US audience, log on actively seeking specific solutions, arriving with a 70% higher intent to purchase than users simply scrolling standard feeds. Over the next 90 days, we are going to build a completely faceless, highly automated traffic machine that captures those searches and turns them into consistent leads and sales. Escaping the constant demand for new content means stepping off the viral treadmill. Instead of chasing temporary views, we will build permanent pathways to capture existing search intent. The process begins with a strict 7-day setup. On days 1 and 2, upgrade to a free business account and claim your website. This immediately signals to the algorithm that your profile is reputable and ready for distribution. Day 3 is keyword research. Type broad topics into the search bar and record every phrase the system auto-completes. On day 4, take those harvested phrases and paste directly into the titles and descriptions of your Pinterest boards. By days 5 and 6, you will publish your first original pins. You will also begin repinning complementary content from other creators to establish early engagement. Day 7 introduces the Pinterest Trends dashboard. Use this tool to forecast what the US audience is planning to search for next, allowing you to align your upcoming content with seasonal shifts in behavior. Completing this initial checklist turns a standard profile into a highly optimized, data-rich filing system. The algorithm now knows exactly who to show your content to. With the foundation built, your entire output will consist of just 4 precise pin styles. The first is the freebie pin. These solve a highly specific problem and link to a lead magnet, capturing viewer emails for your backend. The second style focuses on paid products. These pins address deep, recurring pain points or common questions, linking users straight to a long-form sales page to convert high-intent buyers. Third, you will need to create educational content. These pins provide broader, valuable insights without asking for an immediate sale. They link back to a blog post, steadily building trust and account authority. The fourth style is affiliate pins. Routing a pin straight to an affiliate platform frequently triggers spam filters or account bans. The correct method routes traffic to an educational blog post on your site first. From there, users click your embedded link to purchase. Strictly routing each specific pin style to its designated destination keeps your account in good standing and guarantees traffic flows cleanly through an optimized sales funnel. To force the platform to index your work, you need a steady distribution rate. The exact daily requirement to maintain momentum is 3 original pins and 2 repins. Doing that manually every single day leads right back to burnout. Instead, you sit down for 1 or 2 days a month and batch create your entire catalog of pins all at once. You then load that bulk content into a scheduling engine called Tailwind. The software takes over entirely, dropping those 5 specific actions into precise time slots for every single day of the month. For the first 20 days of the challenge, this is your only operational goal. Establish the batching workflow, load the system, and let the scheduled automation run without interference. Replacing a full-time income while stepping away from the keyboard requires outsourcing the physical act of publishing to software. The distribution must happen whether you are online or not. As you enter month 2 of the challenge, the strategy expands into long-tail keywords. You move past generic topics and target highly specific, lower competition searches, exactly matching the exact queries your audience types in. By month 3, you transition to data analysis. You open your analytics dashboard, identifying pin formats generating the most impressions and clicks, and ruthlessly replicate those proven, high-performing layouts. Search indexing operates on a different scale. A typical social media post exhausts its reach in 24 hours, but an indexed pin builds traction over weeks, continually driving targeted, passive traffic years into the future. True passive income is not built by performing for a temporary feed. It requires publishing digital assets that gain measurable value over time. The machine is now fully assembled, a tightly optimized 7-day setup, feeding 4 profitable pin types, scheduled entirely by Tailwind, and continuously capturing long-tail search traffic. Pinterest requires 3 full months to properly categorize your content. Unwavering consistency is exactly what guarantees your long-term momentum. Start your day 1 setup right now. Leave a comment below with your specific niche, like this video, and subscribe to US Finox. Securing financial independence requires a calculated trade. You abandon the instant gratification of social media and commit to the permanent leverage of a search engine.